Hey everyone, do you ever feel like you're caught in the current, just being swept along? Trust me, you're not alone. In today's world, it's so easy to get caught up in the hustle, the never-ending to-do lists, the constant notifications. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. In this video, we're going to explore 4 practical techniques that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. Just breathe. The first practice, and perhaps the most fundamental, is mindful breathing. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Breathing, I do that all the time, and you're right, you do. But how often do you really pay attention to your breath? How often do you allow it to anchor you to the present moment? The breath is a bridge between our body and our mind. So how do we practice mindful breathing? Find a comfortable position, whether you're sitting, lying down, or even walking. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Don't try to change it, just observe it. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest or your belly. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing can make a world of difference. Our second grounding practice takes us outside, into the embrace of nature. Think about a time when you were surrounded by nature. Maybe you were walking through a forest, feeling the soft earth beneath your feet, listening to the rustling leaves overhead. Or perhaps you were sitting by the ocean, mesmerized by the crashing waves, feeling the cool sea breeze on your skin. How did you feel in those moments? Connecting with nature doesn't have to be a grand adventure. It can be as simple as taking a walk in the park during your lunch break. Let nature be your sanctuary, your place of peace, your reminder to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with the present moment. Our third grounding practice brings us back to ourselves, to the wisdom that resides within our own bodies. It's called the body scan meditation, and it's a powerful way to cultivate self-awareness, release tension, and cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes if that feels good to you. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice any sensations that are present. Starting with your toes, slowly scan your body with your awareness, moving upwards towards the top of your head. As you move through each part of your body, simply observe the sensations that are present. If you notice any areas of tension or tightness, gently acknowledge them. See if you can bring a sense of softness and relaxation to those areas. The body scan meditation is a journey of self-discovery. Our final grounding practice is one that I personally find incredibly powerful: journaling. Our minds are constantly buzzing with thoughts, ideas, worries, and to-dos. Journaling is like hitting the refresh button. It's a way to declutter our minds, process our emotions, and gain clarity on what's truly important. The beauty of journaling is that there's no right or wrong way to do it. You can write about your day, your dreams, your worries, your gratitudes, whatever is swirling around in your mind. You might choose to journal first thing in the morning as a way to set your intentions for the day. Or perhaps you prefer to journal in the evening as a way to reflect on your experiences and release any lingering thoughts or emotions. So grab a notebook, find a quiet space, and let your thoughts flow freely onto the page. So there you have it, 4 powerful practices to help you stay grounded and present in your daily life. Which one resonated with you the most? Was it the simplicity of mindful breathing, the rejuvenating power of nature, the self-awareness of the body scan, or the clarity that comes from journaling? I encourage you to choose one of these practices and commit to trying it out for just a few minutes each day. Remember, grounding isn't about achieving a state of perfection. It's about cultivating a sense of presence, stability, and inner peace amidst the ebb and flow of life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more mindfulness and well-being tips. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from these grounding practices.